Hi guys, and welcome to Yayis Corner. If this is your first time, thank you for taking the time. So today I have a Chanel haul video. So I took advantage of a sale that Macys was having, a family and friends sale, and all Chanel skin and makeup products, let me rephrase that, was 15% off. So I got a bag full of goodies. So let's go and continue with this haul. I had a very nice sales associate or salesperson at the Chanel counter help me out. They gave me a lot of free samples, which I love. So this is the Chanel eyelash primer, which I have on and I really like it. I also received a bunch of let's see, this is the ultralight skin perfecting makeup in beige. So he gave me a couple of those to try out, which I think I will be taking on a little trip I'm taking for Memorial Weekend. He also gave me the Hydra Beauty Micro Serum. He gave me a lot of those, so definitely I'll be using those. Then let's see, what else did I get? Oh yeah, it's over there. Hold on. Inside this little package, there was another volume and care lash primer. There was another mascara. Then there was a perfume sample. Yeah. So this is the Chanel Gabrielle, and I have it, and I really like it. It's not making me sneeze. I've had it on for an hour already. I don't have any sinus issues, and I'm very sensitive to some smells. And for example, Chanel No. 5, I can't. This is nice. Okay, so then, and some more mascara, Lift, it's an eye cream. Yeah, he hooked me up with a lot of samples. Okay, so let's see. Let's go in order. So I picked up a couple of eyeshadows, which are the ones I have on in this video, because I just filmed a makeup application video using all the products that I purchased here. So I kind of did it backwards, but all right. So these are, I got 3 of the Ombre Premier eyeshadows. They're Longwear powder eyeshadows. I got it in Antique, Cuir, Brun, and Blanc. Okay, so I will swatch them for you. So this is Blanc. Okay. Oops, there we go. Okay, so this is a light gold. There you go. So I thought these shades would be perfect for summer. So yes, I know spring and summer, it's all about, you know, pinks, rose gold, but I think it's also, you know, very nice to wear something sexier. So gold and like a dark olive green, brown, bronze. So this is Blanc. No, this is Antique. So this is Antique, which is gold. Okay. So I'm gonna swatch it right next to Blanc. Oh yeah, you can tell the difference. Okay. And then the last color that I purchased was Cuir Brun. I'm butchering that, but oh yeah, and I also got some samples of a foundation. Okay, so then this is the last eyeshadow. Oops. So it's either a dark brown olive bronze color. So online it looked almost black. Okay, I'm going to put it right here. Look at that. Now I think that's a very sexy summer combination. What do you guys think? And that's what I have on right now. Okay, so make sure to watch my other videos so you see how I combine these three colors. Okay, so that's the eyeshadows. I also purchased, it's not new, but it's a new formula. It's not a new color. So this is the blush in Alezane. Okay, and that's the blush that I have on, and I love it. So I'll swatch this for you. Right. Okay. Look at that, how pretty. Very pretty. Okay. Okay, so this is the new formula. So, okay, let's go over that one more. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. That's a nice suntan look. Okay, so that's Alezane, the blush. Then I also picked up, now I don't know if this is available everywhere, but this was definitely on the Macys website. So this is the Eclat du Dessert Illuminating Powder. Okay, so it is almost like a highlighter. Let's see. Yeah. So it comes with its own little brush. And I have used this, so sorry, it's not in pristine condition. So here, let me swatch it with this next to the blush. And it's very powdery, hence powder. So I'm using this as a highlighter, actually. Look at that. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Okay. So I am using that as a highlighter. I'm gonna put some the tip of my nose. There, you can tell. Oops, I think I put too much, but all right. Okay, so that's the highlighter or illuminating powder. So I also purchased, actually, this is my my parents' Mother's Day present to me. So this is the Water Fresh Tint in the color medium. This is a super lightweight. They say you can either use it as a glow underneath, almost like a glow serum underneath your foundation, or as the foundation alone. Okay, so this is the packaging. I'm going to, there we go, just a teeny bit. And as you mix it, look at that color. Look at that. And it's gel, which I love, because as you know, I have oily skin. So it just gives you the most beautiful, look at that. It gives you the most beautiful glow. You still feel clean. You feel like you don't have any makeup on, and it still gives you coverage. Some coverage. It's very light coverage, but just enough for the summertime. So very nice. So this is, again, the Water Fresh Tint in medium. Then I also picked up, let me wipe these swatches. So I have the eye corrector in Rose, okay? But I wanted something closer to, my warmer skin tone. So I picked up the Chanel Longwear concealer. Oh, it is a concealer, corrector in beige. So this is 20 beige. Okay, As you can see, it is more, it's not as pink as the other one, the rose one. So here's that color. So this is beige. And it's creamy yet light. And look at that, it just blends beautifully, beautifully. Okay, so that's in the color beige. And I did use that here. I had a spot here, here, and here. Okay, and it did a great job at covering that up. And let's see, I picked up another lip gloss. So this is the Rouge Coco Gloss Top Coat Lumiere Illuminating Top Coat in the color 774 Excitation. Ooh. So check this out. It's literally gold in a tube. Okay, so this is beautiful. So here I have it over Adrian, the lipstick Adrian. So I totally intend on using this on its own. So here's a little swatch of that. Look at that, how pretty. It's clear, yet it has a touch of gold. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I think I'm gonna top it off. There we go. And I also purchased a nail polish. So this is in the color 735 Daydream, which is a beautiful nude. Look at this, how beautiful. So this almost reminds me of Essie's Ladylike. Okay, but let me swatch it on my nail just to show you what it looks like. Obviously this is just one coat, but look at that, how pretty. That's beautiful, very pretty. Yes, so this is yeah, there's a definite dupe out there for this, and that would be Ladylike by Essie, but beautiful color. Okay, and that's it, guys. So like I said, this is the look using all the products that I purchased here that I'm hauling in this video. If you'd like to see that video, please make sure and check it out. Guys, I appreciate you taking the time. Please tell your friends about my channel, spread the word. And if you like this video, give it a like, and I'll see you later. Take care of yourselves. Bye.